जय श्रीमन्नारायण 292nd नामं फ्रॉम श्री विष्णु सहस्रनामं। ओम पवनाय नमः। हो श्रीमन्नारायण, I realize that you are the one who moves around, who moves here and there. Oh Srimannarayana, I also realized that you are all over. Then where is the place for you to move around? But here, oh Srimannarayana, your all-pervasiveness itself is identified, recognized and appreciated as that you are moving around. Not only that, O Srimannarayana, in addition to your all-pervasiveness, you come down in different forms, in different timings as avataram. When you come down as avataram, you goes around, you moves around. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Pavanaya Namaha. Om Pavanaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharadvaja Maharshi entered into his Yajnasala and inviting all the devatas. Bharadvaja Maharshi extending an invitation to Vishwakarma, saying that, "Oh Vishwakarma, please come down and make all arrangements. I am going to give feast to Bharata and his entire entourage. They are craving for Ramarajyam. Ho Tvashta, I realize that you are the one who constructs houses very quickly. I would like you to come here and make all the arrangements, as I am going to give feast to Bharata and his entire entourage, as they are craving for Ramarajyam. Ho Devendra, Akhvaye Lokapalam, Devendra, Yamuna, Yama, Varuna, Kubera. Oh my dear Lokapalakas, I am extending an invitation for all of you to come here and make arrangements for the feast that I am going to give to Bharata and his entire entourage, who are craving for Ramarajyam. Oh my dear all rivers that which are flowing on this earth, all the rivers which are flowing in the sky, all the rivers which are flowing towards east, all the rivers which are flowing towards west. Oh my dear rivers, please come down and make all the arrangements for the feast which I am going to give to Bharata and his entire entourage, who are craving for Ramarajyam. Oh my dear rivers, you all have to make wonderful juices from all the different fruits, and you have to make arrangements for the cold water for the feast which I am going to give to Bharata and his entire entourage, who are craving for Ramarajyam. Akhvaye Devagandharvan. Oh my dear Gandharvas, ha, ha, hu, all those Gandharvas. Oh my dear Devatas, I am extending an invitation to you all for you to come down here and make arrangements for the feast which I am going to give to Bharata and his entire entourage who are craving for Ramarajyam. Akhvaye apsaraso devihi gandharvischa api sarvasaha. There are apsarasas who are belonging to Devajati Devata categories. There are apsarasas who are belonging to Gandharva categories. Oh my dear apsarasas, you all please come down here and make arrangements for the feast which I am going to give to Bharata and his entire entourage who are craving for Ramarajyam. हो घृताची, हो विश्वाची, हो मिश्रकेशी, हो अलंबुसा, हो नागदंता, हो हेमा, हिमा, अद्रिकृतस्थला. हो my dear apsarasas, you are the main apsarasas. I am extending an invitation to each and every one of you for you to come down here and make arrangements for the feast which I am going to give to Bharata and his entire entourage who are craving for Ramarajyam. Oh my dear apsarasas who are there with Devendra, oh my dear Rambha, oh Urvasi, oh Menaka, and all those apsarasas who are with Chaturmukha Brahma, 500 apsarasas, angels who are there with Chaturmukha Brahma. I am extending an invitation to each and every one of you all to come down here and make arrangements for the feast which I am going to be giving to Bharata and his entire entourage who are craving for Ramarajyam. Ho Tumbura, you come down along with all your instruments and you have to make all the arrangements for the feast which I am going to give to Bharata and his entire entourage who are craving for Ramarajyam. Ho Kubera, along with you, you also bring the entire park which is known as Chitraradham, in which all the trees, they have abharanas, ornaments as their leaves. All the trees, they have beautiful garments as their leaves. All the trees, they have Devakantas, angels as their fruits. Such wonderful park you have Chitraradham, which is known as. You bring down that entire Chitraradham here for the feast that I am going to give to Bharata and his entire entourage who are craving for Ramarajyam. Bhakshyam, Bhojyancha, Choshyancha, Lekhyancha, Vividham Bahu, Bhagavan Somo, Vidhattam, Annam Uttamam. Oh my dear moon, oh Soma, oh Chandra, you come down. You have to make arrangements. You have to make all the delicious dishes, which some of them can be bitten, which some of them can be licked, which some of them can be drank. Like this, all different wonderful dishes you have to make for me to give the feast to Bharata and his entire entourage who are craving for Ramarajyam. Not only that, Ho Soma, you have to make so many garlands, so many drinks for me to offer to Bharata and his entire entourage who are craving for Ramarajyam. Like this, Bharadvaja Maharshi inviting every Devata for them to come down and make arrangements for Bharata and his entire entourage. Bharadvaja Maharshi taking the entire his yoga balam, his tapo balam and his putting everything at the cost of this entire feast for Bharata, and he is expending entire of his tapos shakti which he has collected for last thousands of years. He is spending all that only to give the feast to Bharata and his entire entourage, because they are craving for Rama Rajyam. And also Bharadvaja Maharshi is glowing with unlimited effulgence, which is showing that, which is explaining that if anyone does not honor his invitation and does not come down and make arrangements for Bharata, Bharadvaja Maharshi is warning them. To that extent, he has that effulgence, and also every of his invitation with the mantras, with the letters, with the words, with the sentences, all his mantras are according to Siksha Vyakarana Shastram, and every mantra has enough stressing words. Every mantra is chanted and sounded and uttered all the words in a very, very perfect way, so that all the devatas can respond very quickly and come down as he asks, as he requests. To that extent, Bharadvaja Maharshi making an arrangement for feast to Bharata and his entire parivaram, because they are asking for Rama Rajyam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 32nd sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Bhuta Bhavya Bhavannadhaha Pavanaha Pavano Nalaha Kamaha Kamakritkantaha Kamaha Kamapradaha Prabhuhu. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Pavanaya Namaha. Om Pavanaya Namaha. Om Pavanaya Namaha.